we're in the series of discussing the concepts of physics. In this particular tutorial, we're going to look at magnetism. What are the key aspects that you need to understand as far as magnetism is concerned? In this case, you need to understand the law of magnetism. And the law of magnetism states, unlike poles attract, like poles repel. And what you need to understand there is that a magnet has two poles. It has a north pole and a south pole. So that means that if you're going to bring a north and a north, that is what we call like poles. And then that is going to repel. Like for instance, here we're having a north pole and a north pole. We are expecting this, nothing other than repulsion taking place here. So in that case, this one, they will push away from each other. But if you happen to bring a north and a south next to each other, it means these two magnets are going to attract. They are going to move close to each other because these are unlike poles. You need also to understand the concept of magnetic and non-magnetic materials. So we shall say magnetic materials are those materials which are attracted by magnets, while the examples for magnetic materials include steel and iron, whereby we are going also to look at what are the differences between steel and iron. Steel is considered as a hard magnetic material, which means that a hard magnetic material can be easily cannot be easily magnetized, but once it's magnetized, it retains its magnetism for a long period of time. But iron is a soft magnetic material because it's easily magnetized, and also it loses that magnetism quite easily. So what are the purpose of soft magnetic material and hard magnetic materials? Since a soft magnetic material can easily lose its magnetism, it's used to form what we call a temporary magnet, or it can be used to form an electromagnet. But if we are talking of steel, steel retains magnetism for a long period of time. So for that reason, it's used as a permanent magnet.